I'm Peter Hildebrandt, Chief Operating Officer of Respiri. Our mission is to improve the lives of people who suffer from chronic respiratory health conditions. And we do this by providing remote patient monitoring services and a device that's called Wheezo. Wheezo is an FDA Class 2 approved medical device which can be used to determine possible exacerbation for people who suffer from asthma, for example. We initially launched in Australia, and now we are ready to deploy it into clinics and hospitals in the United States. Wheezo was designed in Australia with the support of a tremendous team within Respiri, but also enlisting the capabilities and expertise of external service providers. We undertook to review our contract manufacturing strategy and did an extensive analysis that looked at alternative Australian sources plus people who are, or companies are represented in the region. And we found that Entech was the most commercially attractive supplier as a result of this undertaking. We were very impressed right from the start with the approach that Entech took to Respiri. We felt that we were treated as a true partner from the get-go. And helping hand always ready to be extended. We had a major challenge with Wheezo, and that was the cost position of the device, the cost required to manufacture this, and also the way it was assembled. There were some design hurdles inherent in the original design that made the testing and the assembly extremely expensive. We tapped into the DFM expertise at Entech and had significant progress in terms of redesigning and redefining the housing arrangement, dealt and worked very closely with the toolmaker and achieved some significant achievements in both cycle time for assembly and, most importantly, also for the testing site. I remember one particular incident after we had agreed on all the commercial agreements and after I had issued a purchase order on Entech, and the manufacturing team out of China came back, and after the initial couple of production runs, they found additional improvements in cycle time, which translated into cost savings. We were even credited for the internal cost savings that Entech achieved. From the original cost position that we faced in the pilot production run to the cost position we are now getting from Entech for volume production, we have a cost saving of between 70 and 80%. We had weekly meetings, everyone chipped in and everyone lent a helping hand. And over, I guess, was a 3, 4, 5 months period, we went through a couple of milestones on the cost reduction activity map, and we achieved all of those. And we are equally proud of the fact that we found a partner with Entech who supports our global ambitions with low-cost manufacturing in China, with additional facilities now opened in Malaysia, with a manufacturing strategy and equipment strategy that basically ensures across your Devon Park and Malaysia and the China operations you have the same quality controls and the same rigor and the same cost positions. The multi-location strategy is not only a good risk mitigation strategy, it also helps us address those tariff situations if and when they arise. We are very proud at Respiri that we, as an Australian company, an Australian innovator, have made it onto the global stage with successes not only in the US, but with clinical trials also running in the UK. And what we found is that everything that we needed to enable this journey and to be successful, we found here in Australia, whether it was design houses, manufacturing partners for clinical trials, marketing partners, universities, it's all here. We are proud that we are part of that Australia Inc., if you want, and that we can send some signals to the global health market that Respiri is there to be a player.